Good morning. Let us see a program based on string manipulation. Now, in Arduino, string is a variable basically which is based on set of characters one after the other. So, string is a type of variable in which we can put characters and just like a string one after the other is connected. So, you can see the program here. There is a string variable. So the type of the variable is string. So you type string here, and this is the name of the particular variable, myString. And then in that we are going to put Arduino. So this is declaration of the variable. Now let's go to void setup. So in void setup we have used Serial.begin. So Serial.begin will activate your serial monitor here. Is going to activate your serial monitors. For that, this is the command, and this is the bandwidth 9600 of the power grid. Now let's go to void loop. So we have set up the screen. Now let's go to void loop. In this particular program, we will not be physically connecting anything to Arduino, but we are going to use its processor, that is Atmega. So we are going to load this program in Arduino, and then we are going to see the output. Remember that to get the output, you can't directly type the program in the Arduino IDE and then get the output on serial monitor unless and until you connect it to Arduino. So it is always going to be the program fed to the microprocessor or the Arduino, and then from Arduino it is going to implement that program and then project it on the serial monitor. So that is how it is going to work. So let's go through the program. Now in void loop, first thing I've declared an integer named length, and in that I have put forward my myString variable, and then I am going to measure the length. So this is the command which I am going to give, length open bracket close bracket. So this is how it is given to measure the length of a particular string variable. So integer length is the variable in which this particular string length is going to be saved. Next is serial print. It is used to print on the screen. So it is going to print string length on the screen, and then it is going to print in new line the length of the particular variable selected. Now here we are going to use a for loop. Now for loop is something which is implemented till the given condition is false or not true. So that is how a for loop works. Now how to write a for loop? We'll write a for, and then in the bracket we will start with an integer, let's say I, and it's going to start from 0. So I've given a value 0 to that particular integer I. Then you will put the condition that I less than length. Now length means this length, the string length which we are going to use, this length. So and then this is the condition, and then it is going to increment the value by 1. So how to do that? It is just by pressing out I plus plus. If I put minus minus, it is going to decrease the value by 1. So this is the condition for loop to be implemented. Now after that, I have deleted. I have put a character here, and in the character is myString chart AI character at I. So this is going to type a particular character in I, and this particular character at I means in the position where it is I in that given program. So it is going to save that in particular character, and then serial print it is going to print character at that given position, and serial print I, that is that particular character. So let's say we are going to start with 0, so 0 will be A, then 1 will be R, 2 will be D in that way, and then there will be some colon. So everything this will be printed, and last in the new line the character. So this character which is selected here, character at I, so when I is 0 it will be A, when I is 1 it will be R, and then there will be a delay, and this is going to go on till this condition is satisfied. When it becomes false it is going to stop, and then finally one second, and again it is going to implement itself. Okay, now let us see the output on the screen. Yeah. So I have started the program, putting on the serial monitor. You can see string length. We started with 3.String length is 7. We told it to print the string length here in this program initially. It is starting from line number 11, then going to 12, it's typing this. Then it is implementing the for loop, then it is taking this character, and then it is printing the characters here. You can see it in the program. Then there is a delay, then there is again a delay of 1 second, and again it will go back and start doing this. Okay, so I hope you understood. Yeah, thank you.